Good afternoon, respected principal sir, headmistress ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is 𝙺𝚒𝚑𝚒𝚜. I study in class UKGE. My admission number is 106 by 19. Today I am going to recite a poem on nature. The title of my poem is Let's Preserve Our Nature. Let's start it. The sun is shining, the sun is shining, the sky is blue, the sky is blue. The birds are flying and the breeze is so cool. Mother Nature is trying her best to give nothing but beautifulness. But what do? Make her a mess by polluting less and less for kids and the rest. Let's make her the best by polluting less and less for kids and the rest. Thank you. Please preserve our nature. Thank you.